guys, I wanted to jump on here really quick today just to talk to you about a product that is kind of a hidden secret gem at the drugstore that helps me out so much. On days when I just really need to fly out the door, I will even do this like in the car sometimes on the way going to places when my husband is driving. Disclaimer, I never put on makeup while I am driving. But there have been times when I've pulled over to the side of the road and thrown some on really quick. So back to the video. I just wanted to share this little secret with you because it saves me on the daily. I absolutely love this product for when I literally have no time to put on makeup or no inspiration and I'm just like, bleh. But I don't want to look sickly or like I just rolled out of bed because I do have a lot of discoloration on my face. And there are times, pretty much any time, that I go out in public with Zippo makeup on my face, people will comment and tell me that I either look tired or look sick. So this is a little secret that I use just to even things out a little bit, look a little more awake, a little more bright, not quite so sickly. The product that I am talking about is this one right here. It is the Maybelline Better Skin Pressed Powders. This is what it looks like. I have it in two shades. This is my light shade. This is my deeper shade. Right now, I honestly think I'm kind of right in between these two, but I'm gonna probably go in with this one. I want to show you how I apply this on camera, and I'm gonna try to do this without cutting the footage at all so you can see how quickly you can just throw this on and run out the door because it just helps even things out. It's called Better Skin. When I first picked this up, I was a little offended by that name, but it's like actually true. It just looks like your skin, but a little better, like evened out. First, let me show you what the product looks like on the inside. Comes with this nice big mirror. And then here's the product pan right here. I have shown this in some of my other videos. It originally comes with a little square sponge, but that one was so disgusting I threw it away because I'd used it so much. So I grabbed a fresh, cleanish sponge, and I'm gonna show you just how quick this goes on, okay? So we're gonna dive right into that. All right, I really zoomed you in because I want you guys to see how uneven my skin tone is when I have zero makeup on. I do have a little leftover mascara on, but that is all I have going on for me right now. So I'm going to just go right into my product here and start sweeping it on. I always hit right under my eyes just to really brighten that area because I do have dark circles. And I will even go right over my eyelid. Do you see what a difference that made when this one is more red and it just evened it out and made it look nice and bright? Just makes you more, it makes you look more awake when your eyes are a little brighter. All right, I just want to make sure that I got everywhere. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, guys, do you see how nicely that just evened out my hyperpigmentation around my mouth and all of my discoloration and freckles? I have a lot of like very subtle freckles all over my face and discoloration, and it just evens everything out so beautifully. I really feel like this was aptly named that it's your skin, but better. Let me just show you up close here. So this is what it looks like from a distance. It just evens everything out, makes you look a little more awake. So what I would do with this is I would just apply a little of this, some mascara, and some like chapstick and be done with it. This is one of those products at the drugstore that I feel like is a hidden gem because not a lot of people understand what it's for. It's not really a powder foundation and it's not really a setting powder. This one is kind of a unique product in that you just sweep it over your face to even things out, and there's not a lot of products out there like this, but this one is awesome. It always sits beautifully on my skin and never looks like powdery. You guys should go check them out. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye. What is this?
Push.
What it's for? Shh. I didn't know what that was. I don't remember how much. This even things out so beautifully, doesn't it?